바된 저배 왕보 양의 배배종 님무무시 주배 뒤지 대점네 저기님 보랑 당은 보라 장소바 또바 샤기소 샤블라 근자사 조সম상지야 탐제게 뭐 르당 진고르 장소 콜리죠 여러 왕보 바를 가만배 야민제 들마매 바라 고섬 그바센배 장자지 잡소체 제여와 바른제도 소로 노나나가다 냠베 심제 탐제 남제 나나매 바 자와도 배상제제 공방라 안거 버려서 대제도 남배 저사모님 버려요 냠도 상바 장주조도 샘제바 원도 내내 삼바라이쇼.
First, give rise to the mind of awakening or bodhicitta, thinking that I must establish all sentient beings filling all of space in the state of the victor, the complete and perfect Buddha, and to that end I will now listen to these teachings of the profound Dharma. So begin in this way by giving rise to bodhicitta and listen.
조제 반에 어디샤네 에세 냐메 더불하제네 림바리 주베 로중게 담마 로중고 담마 텔라양베 남바나조 망보여레 대탐제 인부 찍도 되바 로중 둔둔만데 제자와이.
So the Dharma that you'll be listening to today comes from the great Joje Glorious Atisha. This was transmitted through Dokpa Larje or Gampopa, and these are the teachings of mind training, the key instructions of the mind training tradition. Now there are many different presentations of mind training, but we say that all of these different presentations, the very essence of all of them is gathered into what we call the 7 points of mind training.
다대라 노종 된남바 둥근나래 가서 문으로 대공라송 당부대 문으로 대공라송.
So of these 7 points of the mind training, the first one is the preliminaries, and we covered these yesterday.
다음 니바디 무시래 니바디 무시고 말이래 대라 동탐 정주 주셈 공바당 나군접 정주 주셈 공바 니래 동탐 정주 주셈 공바데 가장 좁네.
The second point of the 7 points of mind training is the actual practice. And for the actual practice, we have the meditations on absolute bodhicitta and the meditations on relative bodhicitta. Regarding the points of absolute bodhicitta, we covered these yesterday.
나대라 동리니고 배마르자 등이 농을 좀 벌자 다텔라 속과 가시유래.
So now we come to the next point of the relative bodhicitta, and for here the saying is, sending and taking should be practiced alternately. These two should ride the breath. So there are different ways to talk about this.
나대라 담보 심제 탐제 랑게 마시 모뇽와 되네 매바 부부모 양시 모뇽와 되네 매바 하벌도 마시 모뇽와 되네 매바 인도 탐제 가진 정보샤다래요래.
So for this practice, first we need to understand that there is no sentient being that has not been our mother in the past. There's no sentient being that hasn't been our son or our daughter. Especially understanding that they have been our mother in previous births, this means that they have all been extremely kind to us at one point or another. So, for example, if we just consider one sentient being and the number of times that any one particular sentient being has been our mother and try to count it, it's said that the number of times this sentient being has been our mother is actually countless.
대다 마마지 네 영화래 그냥 다 얘나양 나 강조 레 당부보 탐지 대다 진진 인사면 로제 곰도비어 말에 다 곰배셔도 다 되라 남아 직송 그래.
So we need to understand that all sentient beings have been our mothers, but as beginners, it's very difficult for us to recall the kindness that all these sentient beings have shown towards us. Our minds aren't habituated to this. So in order to become habituated to this type of thinking, we have these key instructions.
다 되라 당부 다 센디 마디 랑게 늘라 곰 되게 거진디 전래 나와요.
So we begin by thinking about our mother of this very life. We visualize or think that our mother is in front of us, and we meditate on or reflect on all the kindness that this mother of this life has shown to us.
늘라고 대당부 랑게 아멘갈도 차네 랑게 르게 마이 네 르게 줄에 죽어버려래 르게 줄에 랑게 르스 교네 죽어버려래.
So at first we were conceived in the womb of our mother, and as we were residing in the womb of our mother, our body was formed by sort of taking the very essence of our mother's body, and based upon the mother sharing the very essence of her body with us, our body developed.
다녀다다랑게 송통에게 맥 다토에게 나와 로냐에게 제 네 레갈에게 락바 양좀 만들수 주에게 깡바 다다 내 상대반데 마기 르기 주대 부르라 송 대가서 마디데 수부조보 라지 뭐이나 도가데 도르송 부간의 작별 값서 수부데 조르송 참 담데 데서 마대고 된다 영향이래 어떻게 제대 마기 르기 주대랑 송네 마기 동할 때서 양네 마랑 그 르기 종아래.
So our eyes that can see forms, our ears that can hear sounds, our tongue that can experience taste, our arms which can do all kinds of work, our legs which allow us to go here and there, all of these things developed based on extracting or taking from the very essence of our mother's form. And since this is the case, since we're sort of taking something from the body of our mother in order for our own body to develop, this means that there's some strength or some force of her body that, having been taken from her, sort of impairs her body or weakens her body. Based upon us developing in the womb of the mother has to go through all kinds of difficulties. There's a lot of suffering that she endures just because she's nurturing us with her body.
드네랑야 깨레베 가서 마게 르라 수당 세당 대 강행처럼 보여요. 깨레 가서 강행 빼면 전부요. 단식 된 감지가 신기해. 나야 깨레 가서 아마 갈래 전부처럼 보게 그래.
And further, when it comes time for us to actually be born, of course the mother experiences a lot of pain. There's a lot of suffering that comes for the actual process of giving birth. This is something that all of us know throughout the world.
되네 계산에 되네 아마게 되네 다 등상게 계산 해당다나 수준이 수답이라 부분 거 몇개 따네 되네 네 냥 먹은 동다 엄마한테 자루군도 또다 따네 아마 뭐랑 갈라서에 단 고세 권역이 뒤수 양실한 매매세는 대장과 되는데네 나와만 고 되고래.
And then once we've come into the world, once she's given birth to us, as we say these days, the mother has to look after that child 24 hours a day. She has to give the milk, she has to clean the child, etc. She has to care for this child 24 hours all around the clock. She doesn't have time for herself to even eat her own food, to take care of herself in terms of dress, etc.
해다고 다른 게 배 마시바 거진 전부 인상 삼는데 네 되네 대담 라 되네 아마 거진 전부 이마 삼네 닝제 제게래 되게 정나 되네 다 셈제 랑게 모신베 메라 소바다 도로라 소바 탐제 당부 모신 바 탐제 라곰 노도야 아만 데트다고 제인 요아래 연장 마부 제 요아래 쌈 되는 양 도서라 인지 휴체로 인지 고민 그래.
So if we can think about our mother of this life in this way, we will recognize, we will experience her kindness, we'll see how incredibly kind she has been to us. And then through this type of reflection, compassion will grow in our minds. And once we develop compassion in this way, then we can turn our mind to someone other than our mother, to people that we know in this life, and not only other humans that we know in this life, maybe to animals that we're familiar with in this life. And we can think that these beings too, at some point in the past, have been our mothers. They have been very kind to us, and by reflecting in this way, compassion can also increase and arise for them, and in this way we can become habituated to this mind of compassion.
예. 대내랑에 뭐 마시바게 메라서 뭐 탐제라 봐. 이제 자체로 다 대거리서 뭐에 마고.
Then once you've done that, you can extend this type of reflection to beings that you aren't so familiar with, to those that you don't know well. You can understand that they have also been kind to you, and in this way, increase your compassion even more.
자세로 다는 저불링 들어야 돼. 심지어 탐제 양 대서 직발에 삼네. 대라고.
Then, to increase it further, you can think that all the beings in this world, on this planet Earth, have also been kind in the same way, and generate compassion for them.
대내대랑 멤버 다 강수 통행내배 심지 늘에 동을 세워 야와 예다 등조된 등조 야와 예다 요래 나 동설라고 다 등조 통행 예배 등조 요래 강수 통행 내배 등조 요래 라베 망고 요래 조탐제라고 야와 예다 통행야 말이 등조 통행 연계 명계 이 요래.
So then, once we've meditated in that way, we can extend the reflection further, thinking about all these beings that we don't see. So, for example, we have the three lower realms of the animals, the pretas or the yidaks, and the hell beings. Now, in terms of the animals, there are some animals that we see and some animals that we don't see. And in terms of the beings of the hell realms and the pretas or the yidak realms, the hungry ghost realms, we don't see them at all. But we can also use this contemplation to increase our compassion for these other beings who have also been kind to us.
나 아마세 경우에 샘제 망세와 냐와를 요래. 망세와 냐에 동안 양대도 요래. 네. 냐에 동안 배 마세 방 쳔보래. 망세게 제 삼로 삼토에 장의 요 말에. 드레지 요래.
And actually, most of these beings who have been our mother in the past, a great number of these beings, most of these beings actually are said to reside in the hell realm. Residing in the hell realms, they're experiencing all kinds of incredibly great sufferings. Sufferings that are so great that we aren't even capable of imagining what they are.
다양 조사면现在여섯 군중 시밖에 숨 정주남들은 제가 나는데 여섯 군중 시밖에 숨 정주남들은 제가 제바시 요래. 해나라 너무 박박 끈 거게 상계 좀 된데게 때라 때마 장의 쇼에 가서 내내 미식라 다냐에 동안 송 해놓고 출래 이지지지게 이나야 되네 다 냐와스게 가르지 요래 시게 르나마도 마히자는 세상 말에 냐와 통마 용세 통나마도 그 이체자 말에세 지금 제 땡겨있는 때로시
So there's a story of the fourth Gyaltsab Rinpoche. He has an extensive commentary to the Lamp for the Path of Awakening. And in this, it talks about a time when the Buddha was on the earth and his attendant Ananda was with him. And he had some doubts about whether the hell realms actually existed or not. And he said, since you can't see them, one might have these doubts. And he says, so tell me something or show me something that can help me understand what it must be like to experience the hell realms.
그거 공 나좀 전부 누르대 여러와. 근데 다자랑의 땡이 오송 사차근데 샤고 순세. 근데 살차 샤고 순세인데 눈을 사샤. 사샤요. 다 떠도 문제 요래서. 그 딜레마 때니 녀 슉 통해.
So I made a mistake in the translation. This is Kungao, who's the attendant of the Buddha, Ananda. Someone asked him about this. So this is Ananda replying to this person. So Ananda says, okay, I'll show you. And he used his miraculous ability. And with his hands, he cut open the earth. And then there was a large crevice or a crack in the earth. And he told this person to look down into this crevice. And when this person looked, for an instant, he experienced or he saw the hell realms.
그 도마서 거배 마시고 자. 거배 마시고 자 주. 대내 송대. 그 칼라스야. 칼라스야 가서. 칼라스에 사와다 뒤태나 냐와도 되나. 칼라야 쭉용게. 칼라케 나라 냐로 마음이 고 뒤태나. 칼라 마사는 이렇게 들으시래서.
So once this person had this glimpse of the hell realms, from that time forward, he never forgot it. So, for example, if he was eating food and the food had just entered his mouth and started to go down his throat, and he remembered the scene that he had seen shown to him by Ananda, he would immediately vomit, spit the food back out of his mouth. If the food had gone a little lower into his throat, if he recalled this scene, the food would get stuck there.
All right. 야, 저다 잡아들고 송다와. 냐외 매다 미글lumbe 매인 저기 말했어. 냐외 동을 때니 잔답게 동을 세워요 그래서. 되네 미지 냐와나를 게 냐외게 매지게 르라 배 마이고 동을 세워요. 다가디 냐외 매 동을 세워도 미기 매지 개용네 또나 야봉스레세. 미기 효지가 냐외 매도 효지가 미기 매도나 미기 매지 가사레세. 미기 매를 가시고 미기 매지 동을 중중을 해도세. 미기 미일lumbe 매게 세나. 다 되게 동을 세우라고 해요.
Further, it's said that the fires that burn in hell are not the same as the fire that burns in the human realm. The suffering that they experience, the hell beings experience based upon these fires of hell, is hundreds of times greater than the suffering we experience from fire in this human realm. So it's said if a human could experience the fires of the hell, if they compare that to the fires of the human realm, they would actually they would maybe feel that the fire of the human realm was actually kind of pleasant compared to the fires of the hell realms.
어다 되네 냐외게 동안도 삼주를 되고 잡고 열이 살에 상제 좀에 되게 더 나와요 봐 냐외 동안 신도 채워도 상제게 세부 송매세 상제게 세부 송요 말이세 그 세부 송나 정주선뭐 니지 채워서 차중도 종도 내가 열세 주송을 가서 그 냐외 동안 신도 채워도 상제게 세부 송매세.
It's said that when the Buddha was teaching, so his teachings collected in the sutras, right? These sufferings of hell are so intense, so incredibly difficult to bear, that he didn't teach them clearly when he taught. So they're not clearly recorded in the sutras. It said, had he recounted how intense the sufferings of the hells were, when he taught them, that his students, the bodhisattvas, might become extremely terrified and maybe other nasty things would happen.
대답을 동을 sembu텔라 다 랑게 마치지 tunso 다 tin데 냥데 요래 동을 냥데 요래.
So all of these great sufferings that are experienced by these beings in the hell, we should think that many of these beings who have been our mothers, they are experiencing them right now.
다 대답을라 이제고 다 대답을라 이제야고 계속나 랑나 뒤주 막아고 랑게 다 랑나 너 쟁게 다다 다 배매 랑게 희상제서 다라 인제고 다태양 고양 아마체용 찍바래 네 동아이 냥고바 찍바래 대삼단에 다라야 인제고 문제.
Then once you've been able to develop compassion in that way and it's gone well, then you can meditate on beings in this life that you consider enemies, beings that you don't like, beings that harm you, someone towards whom you feel aversion or anger. You can meditate or reflect on compassion for them. In terms of having been your mother in the past, they are the same. They have also been your mother in the past. In terms of being your mothers who are experiencing suffering now, it's the same. They are experiencing that same suffering. So you extend that reflection to enemies.
다 대답을 동안에 다 동안 탐지게 파 살. 대화 탐지 당 대벌 세워지 제고 삼바 탐자 제니 네 진짜 제고 로슉 로도 슉 제부제 받고 공부래.
So we need to do these reflections, thinking very intensely, making even a vow that we must do everything we can to remove all of the suffering for these beings. We must do everything we can to establish them in happiness. We need to increase our fortitude or our strength of mind in a very strong and forceful way. And until that has happened, we need to continue with this meditation on compassion.
다 대답이 동아라 성로마다라 당래. 다다가 매일로 말 기부다니 대야래. 매일롱배 동아 치슈대다 나와다 시원이래. 나와다 시원이데다 냐외 동아다 저소바라 섬다나네 배마스바 기부래. 나나 매사야 요리 신나 되니까 내가는 예인 시고 해래 요리. 거기배 니고가는 샤 denjibugang nyen shi chore te nawada shi dunga ya pemi kibure ya nya dunga samdana.
So we need to meditate in this way, and in terms of the human realm, the suffering that we experience here, if we compare it to the hell realms, this suffering is actually hardly anything at all. It barely can be considered suffering in comparison. So the main things that we experience in terms of suffering in the human realm are illness and death, these two. But even when we're sick in this human realm, it's really quite pleasant compared to experiencing the sufferings of the hell realms. When we're sick, there's treatment we can get, there's medicine that we can take. Even when we die, many people die, laying on a nice bed, maybe in a comfortable place with lots of conditions around them. So when we think about this, even the worst sufferings of this human realm are nothing in compared to the sufferings of the hell realm.
elevation that to do the jigsaw thing to do not with jigsaw. To do the Mikashi said, Nimu, Chagu Sedua, Jensen Girda Sawada, or that to do not do some jigsaw, jigsaw to the Mikashi Nimu, Chagu.
So these days on the television, we can see programs, right, where they're showing animal programs where they show one animal eating another animal, and some people see these types of things and that makes them unable to sleep well at night. Like sometimes they show like tigers or lions eating antelope or deer. Sometimes they show snakes or other animals getting eaten or eating other beings. And they see this and they can't sleep.
police lay yung gre jig jig la ne je na ko kam si jam so tim yo re lu ba la tim bang yo re so do so gre de ne fa she yo re to so de yo ma re.
Further, if we think about the animal realms and where these types of things happen, it's quite different from our experience in the human realm. So, for example, in the animal realm, if one animal attacks another one, there are no police that are going to come. There's no one to help that person. In the human realm, the conditions are quite different. If one person attacks another person trying to kill it, the police will call. If one person harms another person or says bad things, a case can be brought up against them in court. So the conditions are very different in this human realm. So there's all this suffering in the worlds, and what is the root of all of this suffering? The root of all of this suffering is the afflictions. All of the suffering that beings experience come about or is caused by the afflictions. And within our minds, these afflictions are always present. They're always ready there, ready to harm us. So these three lower realms, the animal realm, the hungry ghost realm, and the hell realms, These come about because of the three poisons of anger, attachment, aversion, and ignorance. So we say that these are the cause for the lower realms. So now, as humans in this world, we're not actually part of the lower realms, but we have the seed for these lower realms in us, because we have these three poisons within us. This anger that causes one being to harm another, anger that causes one being to eat another. These seeds are within our let's say, existent in our being.
하다가 몇 탐제 예송다 말해 된 예송은 양을 훔쳐줘 이제 대요래. 양서 살고 지가는 봐 훔쳐줘 여기 네가 좀 로겐다 그래. 시장은 깨는 야를 훔거리. 뜨무게 돈을 훔거리. 대신도 훔쳐줘 이제 대요 봐. 몇 남자 유인의 송세. 예송을 훔쳐줘 이제 대요래.
So, though we are humans now and not part of the lower realm, it's like we're at a precipice, or we're like at the very edge, a very steep cliff where one is ready to fall down into these lower realms. Should we become overcome by aversion and anger, that would be the cause for falling into the hell realm. Should we be overcome by ignorance, that would be a cause that we're just ready to fall down into the animal realms. So, though we're not part of it now, we have this cause right within us. We need to be careful.
다들 이제 대장가랑 다 대가서 대비 백이 말이 정주소도 샘지 사와래. 샘지 탐지 그 동안 세주케 랑 사와래. 내가 진주케 랑 사와래. 제 인도 다 케랑 원한 신게 내가 레고 삼는 되네 샘주케네 되네 로송 공부래.
So, all of us have already given rise to bodhicitta. We have already determined, we have already made the pledge, the promise, so to speak, that we are going to do everything we can to remove the suffering of beings. We're going to do everything we can to establish beings in happiness. Having given rise to this mind of bodhicitta, we need to train in it. We need to strengthen it in our being. We need to make it stronger and stronger. And the way to do that is through meditating or getting familiar with these teachings of mind training.
샘지 다 샘지 탐지 그 동안 탐지 안 것을 내내 랑니라 저 도발 자오상 랑게 쇼제베게 대위 교와 망부 줍샤고 탐지 샘지 탐지라 파르지 볼 자오 냠도 삼 텐데 삼네 텐이레메 삼네 고면 되고래.
So we do this by thinking that all of the suffering that sentient beings experience, we develop the wish to be able to take this suffering upon ourselves. And all of the happiness that we experience based upon our accumulation of lots of virtues in the past, we need to develop the wish to be able to give this to all sentient beings. So we do this by alternating between these two thoughts.
저도 겁나 고민해요. 하당 안에서 그 밀라양 나 가시에 되네베 sempa ya shimbo yunge kaye sempa sake sake ya chung chung samashira tang mishi pa yunge dene ya na kaye yang chungbo yunge kaye ya lempa yunge de lo gombal 때는 정말에 lo gomni 정말에 중보 lo gomni 중보 잡아래 sempa ya shimbo gomni 정말에 야 ngoma da sender라서 gombal 때는 정말에.
So we need to develop this. Now, people are different. Some people have a very sort of vast and courageous outlook. Some people's minds are sort of scattered. Some people have very small minds, etc. Some people are very clever. Some people are very foolish. But all of these positive qualities we can develop if we habituate ourselves to them. So if you want to have a more courageous outlook, if you want to be more clever, you can do so if you just start habituating yourself with these mindsets.
대검네 단대 맥바삼데 블라에 저도 옥용물라 때네 낙신저와 공부래.
So for this particular visualization of taking the suffering and sharing our own well-being, we do this meditation, we use a support to make it clearer by joining this with our breath.
옥용물라 때네 낙신저와네 곰나 되는 수배 파르도 침바당 집에 파르도 침바당 준주지 파르도 침바라 소바 벌써 중화양 들어 되는 장기와래.
When we engage in this practice of exchanging oneself for others, through this practice we further can perfect or work with all of the different 6 perfections. The perfection of patience, the perfection of generosity, the perfection of diligence, all of them are included within this practice.
내가 공 되긴 저보양 더도 조보상제 좀 된데게 방도 인정 탐지 라라 독별해 지
And the ultimate fruit of this practice is that one will eventually attain the state of complete and perfect Buddhahood.
하고라도 상제 좀 된데게 제바다도 돼요 봐 상제 좀 되긴 제바 충충 쟁게 색바 삼다 오구 용금 제바 삼다 되네 샵 컴바레레 표현이 배바 라레레 라양 심지어 그 전체벌진 레레 매바게 땅용 제바 땅용 여 말이 상제게 제바다도 돼요 봐 쟁게 색바 땅 오구 용금 나와 땅 컴바보니 배바 샵 컴바레레 심지어 그 되레레 여래 아 되레레 되레 전체벌레 마도 되어 매바게 땅용 땅 여 말이 제바다도 돼요 봐
And further, through this practice, our activity can become like the activity of a Buddha. For a Buddha's activity, absolutely everything that he does is a benefit to sentient beings. When he gazes upon something with his eyes, every step he takes, everything that he does, there is benefit to others in each and every deed. So through this practice, we can also develop this quality of each of our actions being meaningful and beneficial to beings.
저도 상계 좀 되게 우구용구를 라셈쟁이 되를 위해서와 대주의 값을 우구용구 돈낸 겁나 대부 상계게 되고 도그래.
That's also true when the Buddha is breathing, and it's said especially that every breath that the Buddha takes is of benefit to sentient beings. So what is the cause for developing that quality? The cause is beginning to do this practice of sending and taking with the breath now. By engaging in this practice now, we'll eventually develop the quality where our breath, each and every breath, is of benefit to beings. So to do this practice, joining it with the breath, one imagines all of the suffering that sentient beings experience, not only suffering, but the causes of that suffering. And when one is breathing in, one imagines that all of this suffering enters your body through your nostrils in the form of a very dark light. And as this dark light enters your nostrils, this dark light, which is the suffering and the causes of suffering of all beings, you think that all beings are then free of that suffering and the causes of it.
심제레레 차상레 또 대양랑게 개와디 심제 탐제를 곱시 잡아도 많이 봐. 그 잡아도 많이 봐. 안게 개와 차상레 심제레레 차상레 톱네. 심제 탐제 탐제 대와도 대조단 대네 더도 상제 톱송 냠도 삼.
And then, when one is breathing out, one imagines that you give to each and every sentient being, and you give to each and every sentient being an equal share, all of the merit, the virtue that you've accumulated through giving rise to the mind of awakening, through prostrations, through offering, through doing recitations such as the mani, the six-syllable mantra, etc. You imagine that all of this virtue is shared with these beings in the form of light, like the light of the moon. Imagine that this white light of the moon is being exhaled through your nostrils, and it strikes each and every sentient being. And it's not that all these sentient beings then have to divide up their virtue, divide up your virtue amongst themselves. Every sentient being experiences all of your good qualities and virtue in full measure. All the way, and they will experience this, they will experience your happiness and qualities, the causes of your happiness, all the way up through attaining the state of Buddhahood.
나한테 자라 신배 점제게 동안 안게서 내 랑게 더 현라 봐 지톱송 삼배 톱사왔다고 겁니 자라 가와자서 보세 고.
And then, having done this visualization of taking on the suffering, etc., you imagine that it has actually happened, and you feel very great joy that it has actually happened.
대답을 투인된다. 내 란장망보 공부래. 다정 안 주기 루스라. 공부 가서 많이 되네. 야 많이 된게 이거 공. 야 많이 된게 이거 공 많이 잘 되네. 공부 루선도.
So you need to do this again and again in sessions of meditation. And there are different ways to do the practice. We have a tradition, or we have the way of doing this meditation in our tradition, where you join this visualization with the recitation of the mani.
다데 이 망보 겁나 오글라 때문에 되네 소사 div장 세버래. 오글라 때문에 소사 div장 세상 다 강속에 거주바가 터두고 냠내라 농거해요. 봐. 농공해라 농공은 람도 도와다 농공발은 드부여 봐 되게 수담은 때네 용거래.
So when you do this for a long time or through many sessions, through working with the breath in this way, you have a great opportunity to accumulate, to amass the accumulations, to purify the obscurations. Especially in the tradition of the Kagyu, we say the ultimate practice is working with the breath. Through this, one will attain the result, and through this, one can become a fortunate one to engage in these practices.
더 튀운 거에 가서 전에 제나 곰. 대배 상지 우송당 스투블라서 뭐 탐제장 대답을 현지 동안 랑게 대화 현지 대답을 공부할 때네 상지 공부 도발에 다들 상지 샤자 도발야 대답을 냐면 제발하지 상지 도발에 마음배 상지 탐제장 내가 독지 때는 남고래 내 독지 매나 내가 님도 동안 램바다 대화도 만나나 되네 미신이 레제 매나 쳐서 가진 양도 내는 야 상지 도구 말에 희게 셈들어지고 말에.
So this is how we work with the practice in terms of a session. And we should understand that all of the Buddhas of the past, Wusung and Sertup, they attained Buddhahood because they were able to give all of their well-being and happiness to others and take the suffering and causes of suffering of others into themselves. The present Buddha of our time, Buddha Shakyamuni, he attained Buddhahood because he was also able to take on the suffering of others and give his well-being and happiness to others. And further, all of the Buddhas of the future, they also will attain Buddhahood through the same process. If one cannot generate this mind of awakening, if one cannot give rise to bodhicitta, if one cannot wish and practice taking the suffering of others and giving one's happiness and well-being to others, even if one engages in all kinds of other profound dharmas, it's not going to serve the purpose. One is not going to be able to attain Buddhahood.
나는 다투는 대회 가서 냠린 텐다지 다투는 좋네 두준 되네 너 냐른도 그 졸람 세사와당 네 양조망조 제배 깝게 냠린데 다 디제라 준상부 냠린 디제라 하셔요 그래.
So again, that's the practice that we do when we're engaging in a session of meditation. And then once the session has ended, once we're going somewhere or resting or sleeping or lying down, whatever, whether we're eating or engaging in all the things we do, there are other things that we can do off the cushion.
나양 율숨 독숨 대사숨 무세 네 다한서 탐제라 율숨도 독숨 요아래 율숨 이도 명와 다 동아르당 지금 예바 동계당 대자승부의 동계당 대대다 가인다 기본 명와 탐제 이도 명와라 대라 독숨보다는 희당지 요아래 유유도 명와 셈 유진 희당지.
So when we're working off the cushion, we go to the next saying for that one, and the next saying in the table is 3 objects, 3 poisons, 3 roots of virtue. So when we talk about the 3 objects, the first object are objects that aren't pleasant, things that we don't like, things that rise suffering in us, hearing harsh words, things that we find unpleasant. And when this happens, when we encounter an object that is unpleasant, which of the poisons arises? The poison that arises is aversion or anger.
Yam yido wa tene so deba dra nyamba te shimba na no raja dewa tham no ro shimba la so ba tham de la yido wa la do sa ji yo sa ba ji yo yu jin sa ba ji yo du sa ba ji yo.
Then for the next object, the next type of object are objects that are pleasant. So what does this mean? This means things that we find beautiful to the eyes, things, sounds that are pleasant to the ears, smells that are nice to the nose, clothes or sensations of touch that are pleasant, and things that are tasty to the tongue. So these are the different types of objects that we find pleasant. And when this happens, what kind of poison arises? Then attachment or desire arises towards these things.
Da parma yi dong me kaya ma yin ba ge da ngo bo xin dang do dang sa dang da ji ja chu ge ge la so ba zha ni mi kaya ma tham je la yu jin de mo mo ba ji ge yo le mo ba ge de mo mo ba ji ge yo le.
And then the third type of object are objects to which we're indifferent, objects which we find neutral, not pleasant, not unpleasant, maybe like trees and stones and the earth and neutral sounds. These are objects that are neutral. And then what kind of poison arises in connection with those? That is this ignorance or this dullness.
Tun tambe nelu kanye ma shi ne mong tebe mong se de namba kunso ko namba yudan trebu tene yudan trebu tene ke namba kare te tamje yang ma shi se mong se de ya.
So when these forms or these sounds that arise, we don't understand their ultimate nature. Not knowing that, we're obscured to their ultimate nature. And that's from the ultimate truth perspective. And then also from the relative truth perspective, we don't understand their existence and how they have arisen based upon different causes and conditions, how they have arisen interdependently. Not knowing this, we're just obscured to their natures. The same is true in terms of our own body. So we don't know it in terms of the two truths, the ultimate truth or the relative truth. We don't know the very nature of this body from the ultimate perspective. And in terms of this body that we experience, why does the body have this particular form and these particular features? We don't know the interdependence that has given rise to that, which would be related to the relative truth. So in this way, we're obscured to the nature of our body.
Da yul sum dang yul jin tuk sum bu te da jir tikpa chenbu ke tabla kebe go ne gewa sum la gyur go re la cheta do tene ro chung de dama de da bu ke menga la tab keba la te ne te gewa sum la gyur go re.
So working with these objects and working with these poisons that arise when we encounter these things, in terms of the Mahayana, being very skilled in means, we have a way to use these three instances when we encounter these three different kinds of objects and poisons to turn them into different types of virtue, three ways to accumulate virtue. And this is spelled out very clearly in the pith instructions or the key instructions of these mind training teachings.
Chapa chena ya de nyomo bondo sa sing ge de la de ne ne song song ge dong da da la ba do de ne ya go dong so ba de la de ne chung wa le de sim je tham je la ye re sim je tham je la de la de ne 야wan 조요 디베 독자래 해상.
So the words for these key instructions on what to do for this practice are quite easy to understand. So it goes like this. We experience some beautiful object, some pleasant sound or form, whatever it may be. Based upon this, we have desire that arises. And this desire is, of course, we become attached to it. We have this desire, which is an affliction. And this affliction is a cause for taking birth in the lower realms, especially the lower realms of the hungry ghosts. So all sentient beings have this very seed of taking birth in the realm of the yidaks. We have this desire in their mind streams. This is what causes one to be reborn in the hungry ghost realm. And understanding that all sentient beings have this in their being, we think, oh, this is not good.
심지어 신의 탐지는 내 맞아 거예요. 다 당보도 신팅 세워지. 다 신게 도자가 너무 뭐 탐지 내게 도자들은 템벌 교지, 누벌 교지 이세. 그래서 템 해 탐지 도자 매벌 교지 그
So, we think that all of these sentient beings who have been our kind mothers in the past, they have this poison sort of in their being, inherent in their beings, and I need to free them from this. So now we're using our reflection on others as the basis for this practice. So we make the wish that may all of these attachment, all of these afflictions that these other beings have, may they dissolve into me, may they be gathered into me. You think, may all these beings be freed from their attachment.
심지어 탐지 도자 매비 기회다와 내 샤바데니 매바게 샤바당 타위게 되니 샤바면은 기회로 끼게와 기회 싸워던 데봐 교제에서 기회로던 데봐 교제에서 기회 싸워던 데봐 강가나 요요.
And further, so you think that all sentient beings have been freed of this attachment, and of course when our minds are free from these afflictions, free from the mind of attachment, then virtuous states of minds can arise. So we further make the wish, may virtuous states of mind arise for them, may these causes, these roots of happiness and well-being, these virtuous states of mind arise in them.
노자매게 로단데나 지바양 땅거리 수름야베 야고수거리 진바당 수준예가 두자매에 계속 와라 대단대물 교제에서.
Further, when one is free from this mind of attachment, then it becomes very easy to engage in generosity. It becomes very easy to maintain one's ethical discipline. So we further make this wish, may they be free of this attachment, and may they be able to maintain or develop these qualities of generosity and ethical conduct.
해다고 나 희당계속나 면도에 받아 룰을 맞아봐서 뭐 좋네 자서 뭐 희당계 왔다 나가 내 맞게 희당계 왔구나 어다니 희당세계에 배 누자래 심지어 담들에 내요 봐라 때는 야외 동하러서 봐 두고 동하러서 봐 내리도 양고요 아래 내가 랑장 말 심지어 탐제는도 다 심지어 탐제에 내가 서고 섬네 다 나랑 다 키면도 우세 심지어 탐제 희당들에 계획서 저거 삼아지 삼아당.
And then in a similar way, we do the same thing with anger. So based upon anger, all sorts of unwanted things arise. A lot of suffering comes about because of this cause, this poison of anger. So we reflect that all sentient beings who have been my mothers, they have this seed of anger. They have this anger within them. And based upon this, one is going to be reborn in the hell realms. One is going to experience all the various sufferings that come from having been born there. So disregarding any concern for yourself, you think, may all sentient beings be free from the suffering of anger, and may all of the anger that they have in their mind streams and the seeds of this anger, may I take it into my own being, may I experience it, and may they be free of it. So you need to think like this to work with anger.
심지어 담제게 시당 담제 나의 시당들은 누벌 교제 삼 누바고 심지어 시당도 잘 나랑 시당들라 팀 심지어 시당에 봐 교소 삼
So having done like this, having made this wish, may all of their anger dissolve into me, may it be gathered in me, may it be subsumed by the anger that I'm experiencing. You imagine that they are free of it, and you meditate like this.
나의 심내탐도 시당매비 계획서 시당다 잘다 되는데 계획로래 수비 파로도 쳐봐라 야 되네 제가 때는 용거리 시당매비 계획서.
And then, once beings have been freed of this mind of aversion, then virtuous states of mind can arise, especially the virtuous mind of the paramita, or the perfection of patience. So you think that they attain this virtuous state of mind, make the wish they do.
다 발발라 때무 때무인데 이제 때무 거랑 그래라 시당도 자니 그 자와양 때무 지겨요래 때무 잡지 못 시버래.
Then the third object and the poison has to do with these neutral things and ignorance. So we say that this ignorance is actually the root of these other two afflictions, the anger and the attachment. The ignorant is quite pervasive.
네, 무슨 탐제 나 자신 뭐 해봤나 좀 답하라야 뭐 운동에 남말라야 뭐네 대반대 답에 제일 동아가 자와 제자도 명문 뭐 현행 탐제 그냥 자와 내래 다 도효된 내래 심지어 디 동안 내가 요 당하라다 가르다래 누구를 나래 심지어 탐제 내 매버서 싸움네 심지어 탐제 그 명문 뭐 저 누구랑 그때 몰라 템 말고.
So we don't understand and all sentient beings don't understand this ignorance from the perspective of the ultimate truth, don't understand it from the perspective of the absolute truth. And again, this ignorance is very pervasive. It pervades, it is the root for all of the other afflictions. So we again make the wish that, okay, I experience this ignorance now. Myself is not very important. Based upon my experiencing this ignorance, may all sentient beings be freed from this ignorance. May they all be freed from the sufferings that come from this ignorance. And you imagine that this ignorance that they experience and have in their beings is absorbed or dissolves into you. And then, having dissolved all of their ignorance into your being, you think that the virtuous states of mind that can now arise do arise, such as the perfection of wisdom, and you imagine that the perfection of prajna arises in their beings. So again, having dissolved into you, you imagine that it's possible now for this prajna paramita, this perfection of prajna or discerning intelligence, can arise in them. And further, there's connection to the perfection or the paramita of meditation or concentration. And within the two types of concentration, we have shamatha practice and vipassana practice. And this arising of prajna is especially connected to the practice of vipassana.
다 되는 사람은 다 돈나 디바삽세 뭐야 다 그래. 나무 상제 좀 되게 구두라 미 디바제 되게 답에 디바 빠도 뭐 사샤 뭐 동서 디바 타오로 맞아 다 타오로 맞지. 되는 거 사바 우투. 야다 나도 디바제 심지어 싫어 막 뭐여래세. 예. 그러시오. 어쩌다도 심지어 빠도 매봐. 디바 뭐 빠도 뭐 뭐여래서. 야, 다코베 우투 셈도 셈 부지. 당 디바 빠도 뭐 신다탐도 디바 타오로 당 나다 가르나리. 냐워 잠나자. 해 디바 타오로 셈 사바 깨지 좀 제발 때니 그런 거 지금 디바 빠도 뭐 깨지 타오서. 마무 요아레스. 저랑 세게 말했어. 저랑 좀 마지다 들어 봐. 마지다 아저씨들. 저랑도 디바지 빠도 마무 요아레스. 야, 다시 다탐도 디바 메게리로죠. 장하다 장하는 잠만 잠 가는 날에 섬도 섬도 디보 또 좀 그지직 타서 말해. 디보 빠지면 그지직 타서 말해.
So if we're able to think like this, then it's possible for a great quantity, for very heavy, very large quantities of misdeeds that we have accumulated in the past to be purified. One time a person approached the Buddha, someone who had accumulated loads and loads, lots of negative actions and misdeeds, and he was very fed up, he was very discouraged because he felt like he couldn't purify it. And he asked the Buddha, are there others like me who have accumulated so much negativity? And he said, the Buddha said, there are countless beings who have accumulated as much negative activity as you have and more. So once he heard this, he thought, so I've done all these bad things anyway, I'm going to be reborn in hell and experience all this suffering. Since that's going to happen to me already, may all of these misdeeds and suffering, potential suffering that others would experience, may that all dissolve into me, may I take it onto myself. And just by giving rise to this thought, in that very instant, great, enormous quantities of his negative actions were purified. So that's the power of this kind of thinking and meditation.
대답을 얻었기에는 다 우동행이 까망가게 되나 고물어지. 까망가를 고물지를 봐서.
So now, thinking like this, generating a strong strength of mind, strong fortitude in your being, let's do this meditation on the taking and sending for 5 minutes.